What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to unbox some floppy disks. This may be the fastest unboxing ever, so let's find out. First, gotta pull this tab. Oh wow, that came out a little different than I thought it would. And we got a load of floppies. Come on. See how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 floppies, wow. And we only have, well, oh no, we do have a lot of these. So yeah, that was a quick unboxing of floppy disks for people who never seen what it's like to open them straight from the box. Like people who were born in the 90s, for example. But until next time, YouTube, thanks for watching.